Jogando X1 contra a bote da minha amiga.
All this shit in my head, yeah, you don't wanna know. On your knees, begging for your life. Ain't my 44 till you don't, now you gone. Knife cutting straight to the fucking bone. Hand full of pills, don't know what the fuck they for. Tell them bitches, but you know the devil can't fucking overdose. Darkness taking over all the souls, the look of terror on the faces of the masses, twisted into forming. The fire burning evidence of the answers to the question you've been searching. The depths of hell filled with the forbidden yells, coffin with no fucking nails, bodies encased in the metal cells. Look into my fucking eyes, come face to face with the devil himself. My lungs are giving out no air for me to fucking breathe, no life in front of me. The darkness is all I fucking see. Fuck no God, hang him up on the fucking cross. Execute his fucking life into there's nothing left of him, he fucking gone. No rising from the tomb in this life you live to only die. Nothing is everlasting, your bitch is taking you walking a passage every second closer to your final message. Mine is hit.